My loyal viewers, supporters, and the one them where I watch and not say nothing. No worries, still a soon. Alright, love on the same way. Yeah, so I'm up. The kitchen I get started. Yeah man. And we have some nice things that go on in there today. And for all of the people them where
love them belly.
Yeah man. The show I go start. Alright. Welcome to another exciting, thrilling, mind-blowing episode in my kitchen. Amazing. Today I will be preparing for you something traditionally known in the Caribbean, mainly in our country, Jamaica. I don't know if it is known internationally, but I'll be spreading the recipe. I'll be having this recipe spread all over the globe when I'm done with it. It's known to be prepared just one way, but I'm putting a little twist to it. Or probably two ways. Some people might curry, some people might stew it. But I'll be putting a little twist to it just to show you a little bit of creativity. Alright? So, what I'll be preparing for you, crispy curry fried chicken neck. It's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be so simple and easy. You're gonna wonder, what's happening in Dean's kitchen? Okay? I just want to take the time out to big up all my loyal viewers, my loyal supporters, the ones that I watch and not say nothing. Don't worry, I'm still a soon. Yeah man. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. So to begin with, I have 3 pounds of chicken neck in my silver pan here. It's clean, it's washed, it's seasoned up as you can see, and I use the jerk seasoning. The video that I have out, yes, I use 3 tablespoons of that jerk seasoning to my chicken neck, and oh my god, it's smelling so good. I also use 1 tablespoon of Dragonfire pepper sauce and 2 teaspoons of curry powder just to get it all ready for the flour here to my right, which has 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in it. In this container I have 1/3 of a cup curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. All of these will be added to my flour, which will eventually become my breading. And I'm whisking all of these seasonings into my flour, and as I mentioned before, it is now called breading. I'm just gonna incorporate the breading onto the meat. At this time, I'll be using my hands. The fork not working out for me, so it's best that us going with my clean hands. set about 2 cups of oil. It's heating in the background, which these will be added to for the frying. Fire is on medium heated flame. Just gonna add some amount of them to the oil for the frying. You can see it's partially covered. They are partially covered. I'm gonna leave them to fry for about 5 minutes. We're gonna leave them to fry for about 5 minutes. So my timer is going off. I'm going to turn them on the other side and restart my timer to 5 minutes for this particular side. And already it is looking, they are looking so wonderful. So I'm going to finish turning them on the other side. Complete turning them on the other side, and then I get right back with you. Okay, so it has reached that time for me to remove these from the oil. I'm just gonna shake the excess oil from each and add them to my tray lined with paper towel. Turn the flame down on low so that they don't burn too much. Now I'm just gonna remove them one by one and then show you what they look like when they are added to the tray. Thanks again for tuning into Dean's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man! Alright, like, share, leave the comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.